Wealthy Coin is happy to see you all back. You should expect to see a doubling of the Shiba Inu pricing tonight. Quite large. The latest updates on Shiba. New coins and tokens for cryptocurrencies appear on the market on a daily basis, adding to their growing popularity. Same as Shibarium and Shiba Inu. The Shibarium blockchain is a planned Ethereum-based L2 network designed specifically for Shiba Inu. The Shiba Inu meme coin will become an entire ecosystem as a result. Watch this video to find out why the price of Shiba Inu is going to skyrocket later on today. Quite large. The latest updates on Shiba. If you want to see more videos like this one, where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inu, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video, and give it a thumbs up. We will start the video without further ado. Shiba Inu is now one of the most valuable meme coins, ranking in the top 20 by market cap. The SHIB crew has been consistently busy with development and other projects. Notable benchmarks and milestone achievements have made the SHIB ecosystem famous. One of the latest landmarks was Binance's announcement on April 18th that Shiba Inu will no longer be housed in the innovation zone. An announcement recently revealed that the biggest cryptocurrency exchange will be removing Shiba Inu and several other tokens from the innovation zone on April 18th. These tokens include FracShare, Trust Wallet Token, 1inch, and others. Introducing the innovation zone, Binance aimed to provide a secure environment for users to trade innovative projects, as stated in the release. Some of these projects may have paid off in the end and are up to our high standards. According to Binance, the exchange has chosen to remove SHIB and the other tokens from the innovation zone after thorough evaluations. After Binance reviewed SHIB based on many variables, it reached this milestone. So someone tried to stress test the network by writing a script to produce millions of wallets. People are curious about the reason for the unexpected surge in the number of hosted wallets on Puppetnet, the beta version of Shiba Inu's Shibarium network. It has come to light that in order to stress test the network, a script was created to create millions of wallets. A recent tweet revealed the identity of a team member involved in the Shiba Inu-based NFT project Ship Pixel Pups. The person admitted to writing the software that created more than 9.5 million Puppetnet wallets and processed more than 3 million transactions on the beta network. Further disclosure, the team member was also responsible for creating around 1,620 tokens on the test network. According to data collected by Puppescan, the official block explorer for Puppetnet, the network currently has 13.3 million wallet addresses and has processed more than 3.47 million transactions. You may remember that just 2 days ago, the number of wallets jumped above 5 million, an increase of 86%. This extraordinary increase was precipitated by this screenplay. Prior to launching on the mainnet, the test network will allow interested parties to run a number of tests on the network to ensure its efficacy and reliability. All coins, transactions, and activity seen on the testnet are for testing purposes only and are not real, as Satoshi Kusama, the Shiba Inu lead, has frequently stressed. It is commendable to work on a script to create millions of testnet wallets, as this will help evaluate the blockchain's efficiency and scalability. It can also aid in the detection of errors that may arise throughout the procedure. The network's dependability can only be evaluated through stress testing. The script's authors said they were testing the network's capacity to manage heavy traffic during events like airdrops and games. They also said that they did test to evaluate the network's transaction time, resiliency, and other characteristics, as well as an airdrop script. There are currently no known issues. The SHIB flames in March were really remarkable. With 540 transactions in March, 6.78 billion SHIB tokens were burnt. The number of transactions and the total quantity of SHIB destroyed were both significantly higher than in prior months. The most recent record high burn occurred in March, with 9.05 billion SHIB consumed in October 2022. More than 34.92 million Shiba Inu were burned in 3 transactions yesterday, with 25.31 million SHIB coming from a single wallet, according to the SHIB burn tracker. A staggering 25,313,097 SHIB were sent to the burn address in a one transaction by the Coinbase-affiliated wallet Coinbase 10. The total burn rate increased by 1,108% from 2.93 million SHIB the previous day due to this transaction. Futures market activity is another indicator of the increasing trend. There has been a rise in open interest OI for Shiba Inu since the start of March. The indicator represents the total number of contracts in which investors have actively participated. The amount of open futures has surpassed 2.4 trillion SHIB, or around $26.78 million, according to data from CoinGlass. Optimal investments were only about $18 million a month ago. Traders' increasing fascination with SHIB is reflected in the rise in open interest. At the beginning of February, when the SHIB price reached its annual high of $0.00001591, the OI was $47.3 million. The current market value of a Shiba Inu was $0.00001083. The SHIB price is presently following a continuation pattern that has been covered on News BTC in ascending triangle. As of today's price dropped to 0.00001064. SHIB has hit a new all-time low. The uptrend is so unbroken. By April's end, we may have seen the last call on whether bulls or bears would win out. Investors are starting to take notice of Shiba Inu recently. Following a steady increase that began a month ago, its futures open interest OI has lately surged to 2.4 trillion tokens, or $27.51 million. A price explosion is anticipated as this rising trend indicates a resurgence of interest. Total futures contracts that have not been settled or closed out by an offsetting trade are known as futures open interest. It basically stands for the total amount of contracts that market players still have open and are actively holding. The exponential growth of an asset's open interest is a common indicator of heavy trading activity as investors and dealers buy and sell in anticipation of price changes. From a low of $18.05 million. The open interest in Shiba Inu has climbed by more than 52%, according to data from the futures trading intelligence platform CoinGlass, seen on March 13th all the way up to the present value of $27.51 million in SHIB tokens, which is $2.4 trillion. The open interest chart shows that there is a relationship between the price action of SHIB and its open interest, since the asset's price often goes up when its OI goes up. With the addition of $47.3 million on February 5th, OI reached $3.2 trillion tokens. On the same day, the asset's value reached its highest point this year, $0.0000001527 as a result of this. Still, the asset's price and SHIB's OI both began to fall after February 5th. After falling to a low on March 13th, the open interest is once again experiencing a significant increase in value. The price of the asset is likely to rise in tandem with investor expectations. The volume of trades on Binance has also shown a renewed interest in SHIB. Over the previous 4 days, Binance's Shiba Inu volume has progressively risen daily, after falling to 1.58 trillion SHIB on April 8th. As of right now, the volume is 2.44 trillion tokens. While it is in the midst of a protracted consolidation period, SHIB is attempting to break out of an ascending triangle, despite its current underperformance. The asset's price has dropped 0.97% in the last 24 hours, but it has risen 0.8% in the last hour. If the triangle breaks, SHIB might go for its February high of $0.00000015. An uptick in demand could help it achieve its objectives, and recent patterns indicate that the asset has grown popular among market participants, revealed that SHIB ranked among the 3 most viewed properties globally. More recently, the Shiba Inu community hinted about a historic collaboration with renowned singer Scott Page and an NFT partnership with prominent American celebrity sculptor Jack Storms, where Storms will accept SHIB on his official store. So concludes today's activities. To view our most recent videos, please subscribe, share, and give us a big thumbs up.